Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Google's Gemini AI just rolled out a new update, and one of the most useful additions is the ability to export AI-generated content directly into multiple file formats like Google Docs, Word, and PDF. That means you can go from a simple prompt to a ready-to-use document in seconds without switching between tools. So in today's video, we're focusing on one of the most practical use cases, how to create a PDF document in Gemini AI and what kind of editing control you actually have before and after exporting. Let's get into it. Start with Gemini AI and enter a clear prompt based on the document you want to create. Since the export feature is built directly into the workflow, everything begins with well-structured content. Create a professional report about improving office efficiency, including introduction, key statistics, and conclusion. Format it clearly. Once Gemini has finished generating the content, you'll see a link to the PDF document. Click here to preview the full document. You'll find that the document is already very well structured, with concise and clear headings and content that is easy to understand. It's essentially ready to be used as a formal document. Click the download button in the upper right corner to get the PDF document. Compared to the cumbersome process of copying and pasting content into other tools for processing, Gemini now saves you a significant amount of valuable time. Now let's talk about editing, because this is where many people get confused. Once you export your file as a PDF from Gemini AI, the content is basically fixed. That means you can view and share it easily, but you won't be able to directly edit the text inside the PDF. So if you already know you'll need to make changes, there's a better approach. Instead of exporting straight to PDF, you can choose to export as a Word file first. This gives you a much more flexible editing experience, even though the formatting might be a bit simpler. After you finish editing in Google Docs, you can then export it again as a PDF. This workflow is more suitable for documents that require revisions. But if you want something faster and more direct, there's an easier option. You can use PDNob PDF Editor to edit your PDF file right away. It allows you to modify text, adjust content, and update your document without going back and forth between formats. And here's a really useful bonus. PDNob also comes with OCR functionality. So even if your PDF contains scanned images or non-editable text, it can recognize and convert them into editable content. So depending on your workflow, you have two solid options. Use Word if you prefer a more traditional editing process, or go with PDNob if you want a quicker, more flexible way to edit PDFs directly. That's what makes the whole process much more efficient in real office scenarios. All right, that's it for this one. Now you know exactly how to create and manage PDF documents using Gemini AI with a workflow that's fast, clean, and actually practical for everyday use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.